Bangkok, Thailand, chilling with the locals. But the one I'm buying is 10,000 baht. Multiply that into 3 for Indian currency. Like that, I don't have the camera with me and I was confused. I am literally ADHD max. Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. Today is day 2 and I'm currently going for a bicycle tour and seeing the other side of Thailand. This was the activity that I was most excited about and I'm taking you guys with me. I'm going to ride the cycle for 3 hours. That's the reason I'm in athleisure wear. Let's go! We are all set. Prachi is nervous. I'm excited. I'm like for the first time riding a mountain bike and we're ready to explore. She said 14 kilometers. We're ready for the challenge.
You are.
Only 14. Prachi. We didn't get done with our bike ride. We took a pit stop after good 40-45 minutes and now we are in the floating market of Thailand. First coconut water in Bangkok and it is banging good. Loving this coconut water because we are drenched in sweat but because it's actually good. I want to have one more. This is beating the Diet Coke, thumbs up, everything. Chilling with the local. She invited me to sit. Yeah. Come. She's giving us to taste this. What is this called?
It's the, in Thai we call Mamuang Hao Manao Ho. But in English it's miracle fruit. Contain very high vitamin C.
Very tasty also. These Instagrammers and creators are so annoying, I tell you. They just start moving their camera and start recording with this bloody ass stick in their hands. नहीं इतने कहाँ से आ जाते मैम कहाँ से वाप मछली पकड़नी उठा दो इंस्टा 360 Cycling in Bangkok, Thailand. We are in a place called Bang Krao. Bang Kaprao. Bang Kaprao. Yes, Bang means area. What is surprising is that we're not in the city and still the roads are so nice. It's so well maintained. Only with the lights on. Again. Mid-cycling break for mango sticky rice. I would highly recommend you guys to come this side of Bangkok and experience the nature. I am genuinely having so much fun and I'm glad we did this. I think this was the best part about the trip so far, which was cycling in the jungle side of Bangkok. If you guys ever travel to Bangkok, you guys have to do the bike ride that I did this morning. We got to know that Bangkok was never a city. Entire Bangkok was first river and now later how it got developed. So the area we went into is still preserved. And there are still people living in that habitat, which was crazy. And you could go and bike there. It's a pretty popular thing. And it's not even far from the main city. And we had so much fun. Almost we were there for 3 hours. We had some amazing meal, mango sticky rice as well. I kind of keep pulling myself down that I'm not that strong. But today after the 3 hours ride, that I didn't even feel like I was tired. And the other girls were feeling so tired and I realized that the endurance that I've built is amazing. And even if you are someone who's watching the vlog right now, if you only go to the gym and don't do any kind of cardio, this should be a sign to add cardio into your routine. It can be running, swimming, cycling, anything. but just don't go and hit the gym. Or else imagine going and hitting the gym but not being able to cycle for even an hour at a zone 2 heart rate. So I felt a little strong and proud of myself that I looked so pumped. It is 3:42. We were out there since 8 o'clock till 2 and I'm out here to shop now. It's the Bangkok energy for sure. Like a beautiful city, walkable roads. On my way to get some cycling shoes, hopefully I get that. So I'm walking. Best part about running is not the medals that we get after a race, but it's the ability we have to walk. Right now it shows 1.7 kilometers, 21 minutes, and I was like, wow, I'll just walk and explore rather than taking the Grab. Also, I didn't want to pay 150 rupees for 1.2 kilometers, and I think I enjoy more walking. It's not that humid, so it's very bearable. The weather is bearable. And I feel like when you are actually walking, you explore the place a little better. Then the second stage would be being on the Grab bike. Third would be being on the rickshaw. Fourth and fifth is the car, and we've been commuting through the van. That's very sad. And I was missing. Maybe while going back, I'll take the Grab. We're gonna have some coffee. This energy is not in the city that you live in. You know, automatically whenever you're traveling, you just feel happy about everything. They say that traveling can be an expense. It's not. Trust me, it's not. The reset that you get after traveling is amazing, and there are so many safe cities out there. Like here, I did not even think twice for leaving alone. It feels so safe. I'm talking about the main parts. I'm here in city center, which is the center of Bangkok. There might be unsafe places also, but I'm talking about my situation right now. It's so beautiful, so clean, so premium. There's so many skyscrapers here. Malls to booty out, luxury malls to heavy, but even like cars, well-maintained roads, no one honking. I was going to the cycling shop next to this, but then I found this shop. But then I found this shop and I was like, I need to pick up more running socks and more. I'll take the Koros pink band as well. I am literally ADHD max. I went to the store to get socks, but I did not end up buying socks. Anything in pink, girls will take. So I got an extra watch belt for myself, which is pink in color. And then I got 2 flasks. When I say flask, I mean this. This is what I hold and run with. I add my hydration, my nutrition inside this while I'm running so that I'm not dehydrated. Let's go! Cycling shop. I did find the cycling shoes, guys. And I came with a budget of 15,000 rupees, not gonna lie. But the one I'm buying is 10,000 baht. Multiply that into 3 for Indian currency. I love being an adult. I just swiped 40,000 INR for a cycling shoe and a cycling jersey, which is not available in our country. And literally, I spoke to so many people, like so many cyclists, and everyone's like, we get stuff from outside because it's not available in India. It's a sad truth. So yeah, ended up getting shoes because I knew I was not traveling anytime soon now to any other country. Bro, look at the packaging. Performance power. Look at them. See that we have a carbon fiber layer. I've not even tried any of the shoes. And I'm getting these. The fitting of a cycling shoe is so different from a running shoe. Like cycling, it has to be tight. And in running, you need breathing. So the reason people wear cycling shoes is because for multiple reasons. Mainly when you're cycling, if you're not wearing the shoe, you're wearing a regular shoe and this is your pedal. Every time your shoe is coming off from the pedal, right? And it can be riskier if you're going at a speed. So that's the reason these cycling shoes are attached with your pedals. They move like this. And the regular shoes can destroy your frame, your cycling frame, but this does not. And that's the reason it is a must to have a cycling shoe. सोचिए नहीं है ये, समझा ना? Look at that beautiful ice latte. I don't know why I don't do this celebrates in Mumbai, why I don't dress up for them in Mumbai, but here I'm glowing differently. What happened was, I reached the Muay Thai stadium and then I realized that I don't have the camera with me and I was confused whether I had the camera with me or I forgot somewhere, and then it took me a whole 1 hour 30 minutes to confirm whether it was in my room or not. And instead of watching the live match, I was waiting outside the stadium, watching out for my camera. Anyway, so now we are in Chinatown in Bangkok. It is giving a little bit of Times Square New York energy for sure because of the lights. But too much food here, and Times Square has too much of music. This does not have too much of music. It just has food around. Food. First dish in Chinatown. We're eating a fruit. What is this called?
ส้มโออัพมันไม่หรอก
เรียบร้อยครับ
หัวมาอยาก
Tasty. What a beautiful day to